Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 97. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 9. 2 here, so 5, 2. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this box now, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 5 covering both of these boxes, so our 5 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 7, 9, 7, 9. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got a 1 and 2 here. So that makes this our 9. That 2 makes this our 1, 2. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 9. 4 here, so 1, 9. And no help here, 1, 4, 9. For this box, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this row, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this box now, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 9. No help here, 3, 8, 9. 9 here, so 3, 8. For this top row, we're missing 4 and 9. But we've got a 9 here, so that makes this our 4, 9, 1, 4. For this column, we're missing 1 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this column, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. For this row, we're missing 5, 6, 7, and 8. We got 5, 6 here, 8 here. That makes this our 7. Eight here means 5, 6. 5 and 8 here. That makes this our 6, 5, 8. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, 7, and 9. We've got a 2 and 9 here and a 3 here. So that makes this our 7. 2 and 9 here makes this our 3. 2 here, so 9, 2. That 9 makes this our 7, 9. For this bottom row now, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 3. 6 here, so 1, 3. That means that our 6 has to be here, and that 6 makes this our 1. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this row, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. That 3 makes this our 9. We can get rid of this 9. Oh, and that 1 makes this our 3, 1. And that 3 makes this our 8, 3. To finish off this box now, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 2. 8 here, so 9 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.